Here is the hand mechanism I'm working on. It has some 3D printed bits inside, which I have covered with some old high riding socks I had kicking around. They've got holes in them, so I figured they'd make a nice dust cover. You can see that when you apply a force on the back, they bend. They bend like a finger. You only need to move these back and forth. You can see. The idea is to drive them using a screw drive, which means there will be these threads on these motors, and as the motor turns, it turns the screw. And since the nut is attached to a housing that doesn't allow it to spin, it moves up and down. I would demonstrate it, but unfortunately these motors don't have the best mounting points for the screw drive. I've ordered some new ones and I'm going to be 3D printing proper mounts so the screws won't slip and pop out when it tries to move the finger up and down. You can see this one is locked in position, and unless you decide to break the housing down here, this ain't really gonna move much. So it won't be able to like rip through metal, but it'll be able to do cool poses and stuff, and put some padding in the fingers, and it would probably be able to survive punches. But each knuckle took about 2 hours to print, so before I start getting into combat, I need to probably print some spares and get a nice stockpile. I should be getting some more motors in today, so hopefully I'll be able to print the new mounts and get my tripod out, and I can show you actually how this is supposed to work. It's going to be controlled with these simple switches. These are double pull, double throw. So each side of these is like an individual 2-point switch, and it's configured sort of like an H-bridge. So you click it one way, the motor will go forward. Click it the other way, the motor will go backward. And it's got 3 positions, so there's also an off position right in the middle. So you can just flick these with your fingers, and that will control the hand way out on the mech's arm. Which means I'm going to need a bunch of speaker wire, which I don't think I have any more of, so I'll have to order some this weekend. And that is it for the hand. So until next time, bye-bye.